A lot of us are trying to add additional protein to our diets, but one thing that we're not going to do is to mortgage our homes in order to get it. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am showing you healthier versions of the foods that we love. And yes, you guys, a lot of us are trying to incorporate more protein into our diets. And when we think of protein, one of the common foods that we think of are eggs. And you already know the price of eggs have gone through the roof. So today I'm doing some meal prepping. I am doing a meal prep for breakfast and I'm doing a meal prep for lunch because I work outside of our home and I'm trying to make better choices as far as my diet is concerned, including eating. That's one of the problems that I have is letting the whole day go by without eating, which is not healthy either. So today I'm going to show you some high protein alternatives where eggs are not the center focus, but in one of the recipes, we are going to be using eggs, and that being a high protein pancake. For lunch, we are going to be eating a delicious tuna salad with a Mediterranean flair because we are going to be adding in some green olives, you guys. Both of these recipes absolutely phenomenal. So let's get busy and start with recipe number 1, which is this high protein tuna salad. Okay, in my mixing bowl, I already have my tuna, which has been drained and flaked. Into it, I'm going to add diced onion, chopped olives, Dijon mustard, and mayo. And you can definitely replace some or all of the mayo with some either Greek yogurt or some smooth and creamy cottage cheese. And combine all of your ingredients. And this tuna salad is ready. All of the ingredients for this recipe can be found in my description. And I'll also leave my preference as far as the amount of mayonnaise that I put in it. Obviously, put the amount that you like. All right, you can enjoy this tuna salad as a salad on some fresh spinach leaves along with some tomatoes, dill pickles. Here I also have some banana peppers and also some additional olives, or you can enjoy it as a wrap. And I have some low carb tortilla shells here. And what I like to do is like to heat it a little bit. Then I put some of these spinach leaves on it, put my tuna salad up there, add in some banana peppers, roll it up, and I am good to go, you guys. So up next, I'm going to show you how to make some high protein pancakes. In my mixing bowl, I already have my Greek yogurt. To it, I'm going to add 1 egg and go ahead and add in your sweetener. Blend. Now this is ready. It's time to add in our dry ingredients. Protein powder. Instead of using the protein powder, we are actually using our almond flour. Baking powder. And blend these ingredients together. All right, everybody, this is ready. Everything is just combined. Don't overbeat it because if you do, then that will make your pancakes tough. Add a little bit of avocado oil. So there you have it, 2 quick and easy, high protein, nutrient rich recipes that you can make in the comfort of your home without breaking the bank. So if you want to see additional healthy alternatives to the foods that we love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love. packed with flavor, but not the unhealthy stuff. If you enjoy these recipes, please do remember to give this video a like. Please do remember to give it a share, and also subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below and leave in the comments, you guys, and let me know how you feel about it. As always, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us. And enjoy. Delicious.